I have a healthy turkey chili recipe for you today. It is perfect for fall because it's warm and savory, and you put it in the crock pot and it just makes the house smell so good. This is only my second cooking video, so I would love any feedback from you guys in the comments section below, letting me know if you like the format of these videos. I hope you can tell that I really enjoy being creative and bringing you helpful tips on my channel. If you're new here on Artsy Cupcake, my name's Maria, and I put new videos up every Sunday and Wednesday. I have tips to help you perfect the art of life, home, health, and style. I do videos with fashion lookbooks, healthy recipes, home decor, all kinds of fun stuff. I'm working on building a community where we share our ideas with each other, so please consider subscribing so that you can be part of this happy channel. If you're already a part of Artsy Cupcake, then welcome back. Now let's get into how to make this super yummy and healthy turkey chili, which by the way, has already been eaten up in my house. You will find with all my recipes that they are quick and easy, because if there's a way to make good food in less time, I have figured it out. And I want to share these tips with you. This turkey chili recipe will make about 6 servings, and it only takes about 10 minutes to prep and then 4 hours in the slow cooker. The ingredients you will be needing are 2 pounds of ground beef or ground turkey, or some other type of meat replacement if you're vegetarian, 2 14-ounce cans of diced or crushed tomatoes, 1 14-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 packet of chili seasoning, or you could make your own with spices of your choice, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 2 cans of beans. You can use whatever types of beans you like here. I used 1 can of pinto and 1 can of white. If you're vegetarian, maybe you could substitute that meat with an extra can of beans. Half an onion chopped up. Then for toppings, I have some shredded cheese and sour cream, and a few of those chopped onions, so I left those on the side so I could top my chili before serving. Also, I served my chili with some cornbread. You could make your own cornbread, or you could just go to your groceries bakery section and buy some pre-made cornbread like I did. So the first thing you want to do is get your crock pot out. Some people say crock pot and others say slow cooker, but it really is the same appliance. I tend to interchange these words, so don't let me confuse you. I'm talking about the same thing. Then I line my crock pot with these plastic slow cooker liners, and they don't melt or anything. They just really help with the cleanup. I'll leave a link to my favorite ones in the description box below. Next, you'll want to open the cans of beans, and you're going to rinse these off really well with water. Then you want to brown your beef or ground turkey. This will give the whole recipe a really nice flavor. Is it just me, or is it really oddly satisfying watching meat brown? Next, the fun part is tossing everything into the crock pot except the cheese and the sour cream, because those will go at the top at the end. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Serve with cheese, chopped onions, a few little green chives on there would be really good. And I think cornbread goes so well with chili, so I served cornbread with mine with a little pat of butter on it. I will leave the link in the description box below. I have this recipe on my blog, so you can easily print it from there. If you like this video and you want to see when I post more like it, please hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy day.